Are you tired of trying countless diets without seeing the results you want? Stick around because today we're diving into the keto diet, proven method for effective weight loss. Get ready to transform your body and boost your health. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm your name, your friendly guide to healthy living. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest tips and recipes. Today, we're talking about the keto diet and why it's one of the best strategies for weight loss. We'll explore how it works, what you should eat, and share some real success stories backed by scientific data. Let's jump right in. What is the keto diet? So, what exactly is the keto diet? Simply put, it's a low-carb, high-fat diet that switches your body into a state of ketosis. In ketosis, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy instead of carbs. This isn't just a trend, there's solid science behind it. Studies have shown that the keto diet can help you lose more weight in the first 3 to 6 months compared to other diets. Sounds promising, right? The science behind keto and weight loss. Let's break down the science. When you reduce your carb intake and increase fats, your body starts producing ketones in the liver. These ketones become your main energy source. Research indicates that this process helps in reducing insulin levels, which can speed up fat burning. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that participants on a keto diet lost an average of 2.2 times more weight than those on a calorie-restricted low-fat diet. Plus, other research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights that ketogenic diets can significantly reduce visceral fat, the harmful fat around your organs. What to eat on keto? Now, what should you eat on a keto diet? Your focus should be on high-fat, moderate protein, and very low-carb foods. Here's a quick list. Healthy fats: avocados, olive oil, coconut oil, and butter. Proteins: fatty fish, eggs, and meat. Low-carb vegetables: leafy greens, broccoli, and cauliflower. Avoid sugary foods, grains, and most fruits. Instead, opt for berries in moderation. This might sound restrictive. Trust me, there are plenty of delicious keto recipes out there. For example, how about a creamy avocado smoothie for breakfast or a delicious salmon salad for lunch? Introduction of MAGA Slim. Before we dive into some inspiring success stories, I want to share a product that can boost your weight loss journey 100x times on keto. It's called MAGA Slim, a natural weight loss supplement designed to boost your metabolism and enhance fat burning. Many people have found it helpful in accelerating their weight loss, especially when combined with a keto diet. It's made from natural ingredients, so you can feel good about what you're putting into your body. If you're looking for an extra edge in your weight loss journey, MAGA Slim might be worth a try. Real success stories and data. Let's look at some real-life success stories. Take John, for instance. He started his keto journey weighing 250 pounds. Within 6 months, he lost a whopping 50 pounds and significantly improved his energy level. According to a study in Obesity Reviews, individuals on a ketogenic diet lost an average of 10% of their body weight in a year. Another success story is Emma, who struggled with weight loss for years. By following a keto diet, she not only shed 30 pounds, but also found relief from her chronic migraines. These stories are backed by science, showing the effectiveness of the keto diet in weight loss and overall health improvement. Tips for starting keto. Ready to start your keto journey? Here are some tips. 1. Plan your meals. Prep your meals in advance to avoid slipping back into old habits. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and consider electrolyte supplements. 3. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your ketone levels using test strips or a keto monitor. 4. Be patient. First few days can be tough as your body adjusts. Stick with it. Let's talk conclusion about the videos. There you have it. The keto diet is a powerful tool for weight loss and health transformation. Remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new diet. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your keto questions or experiences. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Check out these other videos for more keto tips and recipes. Click here to watch our keto meal prep guide and here for our top 5 keto-friendly snacks. See you next time. But don't forget, check the description for Discover MAGA Slim. There you have it, MAGA Slim, top benefits. Ready to boost your health? Discover MAGA Slim today. Like, share, and follow for more tips on natural remedies. Follow us for more awesome health tips and natural remedies.